Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of canola oil. Is it a health hero in disguise or just another bottle on the shelf? Many people are surprised to learn that canola oil boasts an impressive nutritional profile and offers a range of potential health benefits. Get ready to take notes because we're about to break down 10 surprising health benefits of canola oil you need to know. When it comes to cooking oils, one of the biggest concerns is saturated fat content. High intakes of saturated fat have been linked to negative impacts on heart health. Canola oil is actually very low in saturated fat, containing the least amount among commonly used cooking oils. Lowering your saturated fat intake is one of the most effective ways to improve your cholesterol levels. By choosing canola oil over oils higher in saturated fat, you're making a positive choice for your heart health. So next time you're at the grocery store, reach for the canola oil and know that you're making a heart-healthy choice. Now let's talk about monounsaturated fats, the heart-healthy heroes found in abundance in canola oil. These fats lower bad cholesterol, LDL, without affecting good cholesterol, HDL. HDL acts like a garbage truck, picking up excess cholesterol and transporting it back to the liver for removal. By incorporating canola oil into your diet, you're giving your body a healthy dose of monounsaturated fats that can help keep your cholesterol levels balanced and your heart happy. So embrace the power of monounsaturated fats and make canola oil a part of your heart-healthy lifestyle. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that play a vital role in maintaining overall health, and canola oil is a surprising source of these powerful fats. Canola oil is particularly rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that our bodies convert into other important omega-3s, EPA, and DHA. These omega-3s are crucial for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation can contribute to a wide range of health problems including heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. By incorporating canola oil into your diet, you're providing your body with a readily available source of ALA, which can then be converted into EPA and DHA as needed. Adding canola oil to your diet is a simple yet effective way to boost your omega-3 intake and reap the many health benefits they offer. We've talked about the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids, but what about omega-6s? Both are essential fats, but it's all about balance. Consuming too much omega-6 and not enough omega-3 can actually have negative effects on health. Canola oil has a favorable omega-6 to omega-3 ratio of 2:1, which is considered to be within the healthy range. This balance is crucial for promoting cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. By choosing oils like canola oil with a balanced omega-6 to omega-3 ratio, you're helping to keep inflammation in check and supporting overall health. Canola oil's balanced profile makes it a great choice for those looking to maintain a healthy balance of these essential fats. Antioxidants are essential nutrients that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to aging and disease. Canola oil is a good source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in protecting our cells from damage. Vitamin E is particularly important for maintaining healthy skin, eyes, and a strong immune system. Vitamin E acts like a shield, neutralizing these free radicals and preventing them from damaging skin cells. In addition to its skin-protecting properties, vitamin E also supports healthy blood circulation and helps prevent blood clots. By incorporating canola oil into your diet, you're providing your body with a natural source of vitamin E, boosting your antioxidant defenses and protecting your cells from damage. When we think about bone health, calcium and vitamin D often come to mind. But did you know that vitamin K also plays a crucial role in keeping our bones strong? Canola oil is a surprisingly good source of this often overlooked nutrient. Vitamin K is essential for the production of osteocalcin, a protein that helps bind calcium to our bones, making them strong and resistant to fractures. Without enough vitamin K, our bodies can't effectively utilize calcium, which can weaken bones and increase the risk of osteoporosis. Just a small amount of canola oil in your daily diet can contribute to your overall vitamin K intake, supporting strong bones and healthy blood clotting. By incorporating canola oil into your diet, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs for strong bones, healthy blood, and overall well-being. We've already touched on how canola oil's low saturated fat content makes it a heart-healthy choice, but let's delve a little deeper into its cholesterol-lowering effects. Studies have shown that replacing saturated fats in the diet with canola oil can lead to significant reductions in LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. Saturated fats found in foods like fatty meats, butter, and full-fat dairy products are known to raise LDL cholesterol levels. When LDL cholesterol builds up in the arteries, it forms plaque that hardens and narrows the arteries, restricting blood flow. Canola oil contains a unique combination of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to lower LDL cholesterol levels without affecting HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. In fact, studies have shown that replacing saturated fats with canola oil can lower LDL cholesterol levels by as much as 10 to 15%, which is comparable to some cholesterol-lowering medications. By making simple swaps in your diet like choosing canola oil over butter or other saturated fats, you can make a significant impact on your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. When it comes to cooking oils, smoke point matters. The smoke point of an oil is the temperature at which it begins to break down and release harmful compounds, including free radicals. Canola oil shines in the kitchen with its impressive high smoke point of 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. This makes it an ideal choice for a wide range of cooking methods, including sautéing, stir-frying, baking, and even deep frying. Canola oil's high smoke point ensures that it remains stable even at high temperatures, allowing you to cook your food thoroughly without worrying about it breaking down and releasing harmful compounds. This means you can enjoy the flavor and nutritional benefits of your food without compromising your health. From light sautéing to high-heat frying, canola oil can handle it all. One of the things that makes canola oil such a great choice for everyday cooking is its versatility. Unlike some oils that have strong flavors, canola oil has a neutral taste that won't overpower your dishes. Whether you're baking a cake, sautéing vegetables, or whipping up a salad dressing, canola oil can handle it all. Its neutral flavor won't clash with delicate ingredients, making it an excellent choice for baking, where subtle flavors are key. In savory dishes, canola oil's high smoke point makes it ideal for high-heat cooking methods like stir-frying, where it can withstand the intense heat without breaking down. And for those who enjoy making their own salad dressings, canola oil's light texture and neutral taste make it a perfect base. From sweet to savory, canola oil can handle it all. We've explored the many individual health benefits of canola oil, from its heart-healthy fats to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Numerous studies have linked regular consumption of canola oil to a reduced risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death worldwide. This is largely due to its ability to lower LDL cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and improve blood pressure. Canola oil's anti-inflammatory properties may also play a role in reducing the risk of other chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. While more research is needed in these areas, the existing evidence suggests that incorporating canola oil into a healthy diet may offer protective benefits against a wide range of health problems. Canola oil is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to preventing chronic diseases. Thanks for watching. We've covered a lot of ground today, busting myths and uncovering the truth about canola oil. From its impressive nutrient profile to its versatility in the kitchen, it's clear that canola oil deserves a spot in your pantry. Remember, making small, sustainable changes to your diet can have a big impact on your long-term health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and nutritional advice. See you next time.